You ask that how old is this child, and the girl says she's 14.
And did a sexual offense.
Yes.
It will be on your record for the rest of your
life.
life.
You will not be able to enter UK anymore, I think. That's why I keep telling anybody that is coming to this country, see all the nonsense that you do back home, you better drop it at Muritala International Airport before coming here, because you will end up in jail. Even married men, married women. Whenever you're located to another country, all the nonsense that you do in your country, don't bring it over to another country, because what they accept is like a taboo here.
A team from Warriors of Children.
Okay.
Can you confirm that what your name is?
Kenneth?
Kenneth?
Yeah.
Kenneth, you have been speaking to a child online?
On child online?
You have been speaking to a child online.
Okay.
On, do not name the apps where you've been speaking to these kids. What age are the kids that you're speaking to?
The kids?
The kids, the children.
I don't say their names.
Okay. We chat. They were like, they like me. I told them, how old are
you? Excuse me, they like you.
I told them, how old are you?
One is 14.
Yes, I told them, how old are you? They said, they are 14.
Yeah.
I told them, okay. Then why are you chatting me up?
No.
No, I did.
No, because I have seen everything you have sent to these children. It's been sent across to me. I have seen what you have said to these kids. How many children are you speaking to?
No, just two.
Just two?
Yes.
Too many? Too many. No. But I know for one, you are lying.
No, I'm not lying.
You are speaking to more than 2 children.
I'm not lying.
You're speaking to more than 2 children.
No, I'm not lying. No, the fact that when I saw them online, I was
Would I say 3?
No.
Would I say 4?
No, just 2. I'm serious.
And do not name these children's names. What were you speaking to these children for?
No, I know I'm hearing you. Okay. So I needed friends. So I was like, how you doing? Hope you are good. Your people. They told me, one of them said people who are working in the bank, that kind of thing, and I said, okay, no problem. That maybe we can be friends, maybe hang out, you know. That's it.
That is a load of bull, right? One, you were speaking to a 14-year-old child and you kept asking her for her address. Constant pestering.
You wanted photos of the child's mum. You even contacted the child a few times to ask her why she was silent. And what was she doing, didn't you?
I'm sorry.
And you requested more pictures of the child. And you told the child that you had a girlfriend, didn't you? Didn't you tell the child about your girlfriend?
Can you listen to what this girl's saying to you rather than what's happening?
Instead of trying to get out of it and changing the subject. So you requested more pics of the child, and you told the child that you had a girlfriend and that she would be very angry at you talking to the child. And then you asked to see the child's ass, and the child says no, she would get in trouble. And you told the child no, the child wouldn't get in trouble.
I'm sorry.
It wasn't the first time you told the child she wasn't getting into trouble. You told the child a few times when you asked her to do stuff that she wouldn't get into trouble. You wanted to do a video call with the child, didn't you? You told the child that she was sexy.
There's about 20, 30 video calls.
Oh God, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry.
Stop saying sorry because you're not.
You're
not saying sorry. Stop saying sorry because you're really not sorry.
I think this actually happened in our area. Yeah. Really? Actually happened close to us. Yeah.
I know it's in Belfast, but I don't. It's in this area.
At the back of this our house, like this streets at the back. It happened in North Belfast. This is place at the back there.
And do not name these children's names. What were you speaking to these children for?
No, I know.
You heard the accent now.
Okay.
Yeah. I can see that they've written Belfast, but I didn't know that it was that close
This
to.
is very close to us, yeah.
Wow. So, guys, you've seen the video. This is an African student.
You want them to come after you.
Aye. I nearly mentioned the name of the country, but guys,
They will devour you.
kill me. Hey. So this is a gentleman from somewhere in Africa
Yeah.
who moved here to come and study as an international student.
Yeah.
This person is enjoying being in the UK, precisely Belfast, Northern Ireland, close to where Blessing and I live actually. And then you started chatting with girls
Minors.
on apps, on dating apps or dating websites or wherever. And the problem is these are minors. If I remember correctly, I think the lady mentioned 14 years.
Yeah.
And this guy was still going ahead chatting with this 14-year-old girl, and at a point even saying, send me your nudes. This child said, I'm going to get into trouble. The African guy kept saying that, oh, you're not going to get into any trouble. Don't worry, you're not going to get into any trouble. Still trying to persuade this 14-year-old girl to send nudes, asking for the address of the girl, blah, blah, blah. And I think I saw an update later about this case where they said he was deported or something, or jail. I forgot. I'm not sure. So
I'm actually not following the case, but I don't think he was deported. I think he was jailed.
He was jailed?
But eventually he will be deported after he finishes.
I think I saw something later. I don't know if it's the same guy or whatever. What do you think?
It's all shade of wrong. It doesn't have any other name. It's all shade of wrong. And it's disgusting. It's humiliating. It's embarrassing. Because why would you stoop so low to go after minors?
And the interesting part is there are so many adults on dating apps who are desperately looking for people.
They are Africans, single Africans. Why can't you? The worst thing is you are even a student. You will see a lot of students at school.
That's true.
That you can speak to.
That's true.
Why do you have to go after minors?
And these people, they protect their minors.
Minors?
Like, they protect them. You can lose, like, your whole whatever just because you try to sexually abuse or
them.
harass or whatever a minor. They protect their minors. And I think back home, we do a lot of things and we go scot-free.
Yeah, that's the
so
thing.
many things.
Because this person, I am very sure that he has been doing it from wherever he comes from before. He has been doing that. This is not his first. So coming here now and, seeing like, oh, maybe he has fantasy already that, oh my God, I want to try all those small white girls. He's all shade of
they don't
wrong,
have to be
like,
small. He can actually get big white girls who'll be interested.
Exactly.
Some of these white people, especially in Northern Ireland, they love black men. From what I have heard,
Yeah.
they love black men.
Some of them.
They don't have to be minors for you to, honestly.
Yeah,
And you can go to the club and meet people who are ready to send you nudes. Like, this is totally wrong.
Yeah.
And initially he was trying to lie. If you watch the full video, he was trying to lie. Then later when the lady made him know that I've been reading the messages, I have all the chats, blah, blah, blah. He's not saying, I beg you, I beg you, I beg you, I'm
It's the work of
sorry.
devil.
No, just two.
Just two?
Yes.
Too many.
Too many.
No.
But I know for one, you are lying.
No, I'm not lying.
You are speaking to more than 2 children.
I'm not lying.
Even contacted the child a few times. They asked her why she was silent. And what was she doing, didn't you?
I'm sorry.
And you requested more pictures of the child.
This is temptation.
And you told the child that
Temptation? What?
you told the child
Sorry,
that you
it
had
never happen again.
a girlfriend, didn't you? Didn't you tell the child about your girlfriend?
It's all shade of wrong because in all honesty, there are a lot of things that we do back home that is absolutely not right, but because we don't have a voice, we don't have good leaders, we don't have support, people just do things and get away with it. So now he's doing his thing, thinking that it's the same way it is here.
Yeah.
No. It's absolutely wrong.
I just want to check the update on the case so that I'll see whether they said he was jailed in the UK and he faces deportation. So I think he was jailed, like you said.
He was jailed.
And
then
he's facing deportation.
So yeah, I
have
think
no idea
probably
how
he's going to finish his jail term and then
they would sack him.
they will send him back to wherever he comes from.
And he's asking them if they are virgins and all. That is making them know your motive. Why minors? What is so attractive about these minors?
I don't know. That's why I keep telling anybody that is coming to this country, see all the nonsense that you do back home, you better drop it at Muritala International Airport before coming here, because you will end up in jail. Even married men, married women, whenever you're relocating to another country, all the nonsense that you do in your country, don't bring it over to another country, because what they accept is like a taboo here.
Listen, maybe you're like me. You are living in the UK at the moment, or you're living somewhere in Europe at the moment, but you do have family that you once in a while want to send money to, right, back in Africa. If you're looking for a money transfer app that allows you to send money from the UK and other EU countries to Ghana, Nigeria, and 34 other African countries at no transfer charge, then I recommend TransferGo. TransferGo is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority. TransferGo is currently used by over 5 million users worldwide. TransferGo is rated the best money transfer app on Trustpilot.com. TransferGo has one of the best customer service you can ever get. 24/7, if you have any questions with your transfer or any queries, they are there to answer to you. With TransferGo, you can track the process of the transfer, and in most 30 minutes, the person is going to get the money. With TransferGo, the person gets the exact amount that you're sending. They are very, very reliable. They will never fail you. So you can download TransferGo for free, whether you use an Android, whether you use an iOS. I'll leave a link in the description for you to do so. And remember to use the referral code NANEL whenever you're making your transfer. And you can also generate your own referral code so that when friends and family use your code to send money as well, you get a token from TransferGo. I recommend TransferGo to you guys. You've worked so hard for the money. Make sure that when you're sending it to family and friends, you're getting value for the money, okay? And TransferGo beats no other. Remember, you can send it not only to Ghana and Nigeria, but 34 other African countries. So where are you from? I'm sure you can send money to your friends and family in that country that you are from using TransferGo. Thank you so much, TransferGo, for sponsoring today's video.
Why would you even think of asking a minor out? I think I even heard that he was even asking them to come out in the night. Yeah, if you watch that video, he was asking them to come and if the girl can meet him somewhere at night or something like that. So imagine. And the girl, and you ask that how old is this child, and the girl says she's 14.
End it.
And you still went ahead to keep pestering and sending messages and all.
End the conversation.
And you're even saying that you're not going to get in trouble, whereas you're even the one going to get in trouble.
First of all, these kids know that they are young. They are too young to be on the dating site, but they're there anyways.
Yeah.
These are traps.
Exactly.
These
some of them are like
traps.
babes. Some
These
of
are
them
traps.
are like, and this, some they have this.
And they are looking for these people.
Yeah.
These
pedophiles.
pedophiles. And you falling into their trap.
Exactly. Some of them, they are used as baits.
For all we know, your father went to sell a piece of land to get your deposits for your tuition fees. And you end up like,
was this the story?
No. I'm just saying.
Okay.
I'm just saying. For all we know, and you end up like this. That is so heartbreaking.
Yeah, it's heartbreaking. And your family, they are looking up to you that maybe when you finish school, you'll be able to get a proper job and live a good life and support them back home. And then you are ending up like this.
And
like,
if this had happened back home,
think?
probably it will not be on the record for the rest of his life. But now this will be on a sexual offense.
Yes.
It will be on your record for the rest of your life.
You will not be able to enter UK anymore, I think.
And once you cannot enter UK anymore, or let's say for a period, it affects your ability to go to these other countries, US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand.
Because they are interconnected kind of.
Those countries affect you as well, so you can't go to these countries. This boy has spoiled his life just by chatting.
And in his mind, he thought maybe the chat is just nothing, that he doesn't have any.
He's just flirting around.
Like, he's just flirting around. See, it has a big way, because that chat actually indicates your intention.
Yeah.
It simply says that this is your intention, because if you are given the opportunity, you will do it.
Yeah.
That's what the chat means.
Yeah. The final words to this boy. And
well, the final words to people that has this motive is, if you try this, you will end up in jail. And then you'll be sent back home. And then your career is finished.
Yeah.
So please, just do the right thing. We all know the right thing. There are other young ladies that are above 18 and they are adults that you can ask out.
Some of them are even willing to sponsor you financially, buy you iPhone, fly you to Dubai.
Yeah.
And they are here with
give
minors.
You a good life. So why do you not have to go to minors?
What I'll say is that all jokes aside, we all know it's disgusting and all that. But if you're found in any situation where you're being attacked, let's say there's a camera in your face, you're being forced to talk, I'll just say that stand your ground, tell them that you're not going to talk, you don't know what they are talking about. I'm not saying lie, demand a lawyer.
Yeah.
Because I also think that he worsened his case by, this video will be used against all the things he said, he started begging, started doing. So now, even if your lawyer has a good case to say that,
he didn't
I'll
do
be able
that.
to, this will be used against you.
Yeah.
You've already admitted that you've already done so many things.
Because saying sorry means that you are actually admitted
And then
that you did it.
they will use it against him. He will not be able to defend himself so much. Even if your lawyer has a good case, okay, or even maybe you have a good case because maybe you were just joking around, but you never really wanted, and maybe your lawyer could have said some things to defend you so that probably you sign a bond or you pay a fine or something instead of going to jail. Now you spoilt it. So demand that. It's not fair how they are treating you because you want a lawyer, you know, instead of standing there and then sometimes when a thing happens, you're not able to think right. But like
exactly,
when I was
because
looking
they just went to you like,
because I was also thinking that what if he was
in?
innocent? Now his face is on everywhere, and then it's like, you understand, and this will forever be on the internet. So in such situations, in this part of the world, demand, let them know you know your grounds. Initially, he was trying to say that I'm not happy, I'm not going to tell you my name. Like initially, he was trying to stand his grounds, but they overpowered him, and then he said it.
We're from a team from Warriors of Children.
Okay.
Can you confirm that what your name is?
Kenneth?
Kenneth?
Yeah.
Kenneth. What's your surname?
I don't understand all this.
Can you
So
tell-
your full name?
What's your full name?
I want to know why.
I will tell you in a second.
No, you can't just be videoing me and be telling me that. That's
Yeah.
what I have to tell my landlord.
Oh,
We're
your
from a
landlord
page
will be
called
told.
Warriors of Children. Yeah? Warriors of Children. So, what that is?
If
Right.
you listen to the girl, she'll explain
Right.
everything.
You have been speaking to a child online.
On chat online.
You have been speaking to a child online.
Okay.
On
Demand for a lawyer. Do
And
not
stand your
speak
ground,
and stand your ground and
no
shut
matter
the door.
how.
Or
Don't
go
feel
to the police.
Don't
Yes.
feel intimidated.
Or tell them that they should shut it down and then you both go to the police instead of them videoing you. The police is not going to video you and put you on social media. They won't do that.
No.
This is very humiliating.
Yeah, very humiliating. Because
So, yeah.
he might have done something wrong, but it doesn't warrant them to just put a camera on his face and start. And it's actually a live video. It's not like a recorded video.
That's
It's a
sad.
live video.
That's
So
sad.
it's like going viral immediately.
Yeah, immediately. That's really sad.
really
There's nothing you
sad.
can do about it.
Yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. So this has been Blessing. I'll leave Blessing's details on the screen and myself, Nanelle. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Peace out. Bye.